Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add alerts on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to add alerts on TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone, and after opening your TradingView app, you'll land on this interface which is the watch list of your TradingView app. Now at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the chart button available for us. Tap on the chart button. And again, here you can see the three dotted icon over here just beside my favorites bar over here, guys. You can see the three dotted icon where I'm tapping, where it says the analysis hub. Tap on the three dotted icon and you can see the alerts button over here. Tap on the alerts button and you can see there is the create alert button available for us. Tap on the create alert button and you can see, guys, this kind of interface will appear where you can see your pair and you can see the price over here which you will be required to enter to add an alert. And after that, you can see the price type, condition equals is it an indicator or the price or the crossing or the price crossing up or the crossing down, and you can see the trigger once only every time. And with that being done, all of the settings you have set it, guys, you tap on the create button over here and an alert will be created on a TradingView app for a price movement. And with that being said, guys, this is how to create a alert on TradingView. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.